Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of new Jio dual band router. It's a new dual band router from Jio and the box looks like this. Jio Digital Life, and here you can see that your broadband gateway, and coming to the sides you can see with low from Jio, and coming to the back here you can see that it is not for retail sale. If you take a Jio connection you will get it free, but you have to pay the security deposit. And here you can see the Reliance logo, and without wasting any time, let's remove the seal. On opening the box you can find the dual band router. Previously the Jio routers used to come in white color. Now you can see that the color is changed, and also at the back the layout is completely changed. The back of Jio dual band router looks like this. Here you can see that you can use 4 LAN ports, and there are 2 USB ports and a power port for your router, and here is the landline RJ45 socket. The front of the Jio dual band router looks like this. Now let's keep it aside and let's see what we got inside the box. And you will get a sticker like this. I think it will be useful for the Wi-Fi connection. I will keep it aside. And here is a booklet, and coming to the model number, it is JCOW407. And there is a user manual on how to use this Jio dual band router. And inside we also get a box. We get a cable, JioFiber patch cord. Here you can see that JioFiber patch cord, and here is the adapter for your dual band router. And inside we also get some cables. Let's see it. Here is a RJ45 cable for your landline connection, and you will get a LAN cable. You can use this cable to connect to your TV or any device. That's it. These are some of the items which we get inside the box. Here is a Jio dual band router. Here you can see the Jio logo, and here is the LED indicator. If you power on the Jio router, first it will blink red color. Once the connection is established, you can see the green color over here. The sides of this dual band router looks like this. You cannot keep the dual band router like this. You can either set it in the standing position, or you can wall mount this Jio router. And here is some ventilation, and here is some rubber gripping so that you can place it in this standing position. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of the new dual band router from Jio. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.